Hello, welcome to Radio King. Here's the fresh installation of 9-inch radio to Mazda 3 Demio, Japanese import, but can be installed to any Mazda Demio as well. So probably 9-inch radio, 8 cores, 2 gigs of RAM, IPS display, has wireless Apple Carplay and wireless Android Auto. You can use it as a normal tablet, you can use navigation from Google Maps, you can use the Bluetooth, you connect your phone, you make calls, if you have steering controls they will work. You also got the external microphone, one over there and one built-in microphone over here. Probably this display, this thing is working as well. You can switch the songs, it's like a steerings. You can change some settings, go back, increase, decrease the volume. Then what else we got? So probably Irish radio, all the Irish stations appears with the name, very good chipset for the radio, so radio will work very strong and very good. So it's like a tablet in your car, and you can install any apps you like. The YouTube, you can use the YouTube through the browser, or you can download the app. But then you have to watch all the millions of ads. So Peppa Pig, whatever you want to watch on the YouTube, you can download any map, even Netflix or whatever you want. So you can listen music from USBs as well, and you can even put the SIM card. And that's pretty all, and I will show you the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in a second. So here it is, wireless Android Auto. It's actually now connected to my phone. So you have Android, you go to the special app called T-Link, and it's bring you to the Android Auto. Probably Apple CarPlay looks the same and works really the same. So I got my phone from my phone, I got my Google Maps from my phone, and whatever apps is installed and supported by Android Auto going to be displayed over here. And it's legal to touch this display, but it's illegal to touch your phone while you're driving. So it's a nice thing to have, very handy, made especially for driving.